welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a very happy day today. So today's video is actually one that is requested by you guys, and after my video on how to make cash envelopes using a laminator, quite a few of you guys requested a video on how to make cash envelopes without using a laminator. So that's what we'll be doing today, and I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly what you need and everything. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and also it is going to be a little bit different than the usual. I'm actually going to be taking you guys with me to Michael's, and Michael's is a craft store for those of you that don't know. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so here's the paper, and I'm just looking through to see which ones are on clearance, and there's actually a lot of cute paper on clearance, so we're just gonna keep looking through.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
And you guys, look what they have here. Some more mason jars, and I think I just told you guys that I was looking for a new one for all of my dollar bills. So I'm just gonna get this one here. And the next thing would be to get some tape. So I'm just gonna pick some out right here. This is just some clear packaging tape. And last but not least, we have some washi tape here. And you guys, these are only 33 cents a piece, and you can do more than one design with one roll of tape. So this is a steal for sure. And just so you guys know, there's some 99-cent scissors here at Michael's. So that's a really good price for a large pair of scissors.
Have a good day. Thank you, you too.
Alright you guys, so we are back from Michael's, and let me show you guys what you will need. So the first thing is going to be paper, of course. The next thing is going to be tape. And up next we have some cute washi tape. And last but not least, you will be needing some scissors. So any type of scissors will do. I have these little ones right here, and this is just going to be for cutting the paper, tape, and washi tape. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to want to do is go through all of our paper and we're going to fold it to our desired length for our cash envelope. Alright you guys, and once you finish folding all of your papers up, we're just going to collect them all here and cut them along this line. And after doing that, we are just going to cut the length of right here. So we are going to cut this off, and you're just going to do that with all of them. Okay you guys, so now that we have cut out all of our cash envelopes out of the paper, I'm just going through here individually one by one and just making sure that they're all the same size. And as you can see right here, this is clearly not the same size. So if that happens, I just go through and trim them with my scissors. And I'm just going to continue doing that until I'm done with all of them. Okay you guys, so now we have more of a similar length for all of these, as you can see, so much better. And now I will be showing you guys how to close these up with tape. So here's just some packing tape, or yeah, packaging tape that we got from Michael's. Okay, so this tape is the substitute for our laminating sheets. And you guys can go either this way or this way. It's really up to you guys. Okay, so some of these papers are cardstock and some of them are thinner paper. So I would say if you got them all cardstock, the easiest thing to do would just be to tape the sides and close them off, because this would be protective enough for your cash. But if the paper is like this, I would suggest covering the entire thing in tape to protect that. But for the sake of the video and for the sake of me, I like everything to be the same, so I'm just going to tape them all the same way. And let's get to it. Alright you guys, so here is our first cash envelope that we made. And you're all set. And if you are going to make your own using tape, I really suggest you get cardstock paper such as this one, They just work better if you're doing that. Alright you guys, so here is one with regular paper. This is not cardstock, so you can already tell there's a difference. These won't hold up the same as cardstock would, but they still get the job done. And there you have it. So you've seen it with cardstock and with regular paper. As for these, I will be putting these in a laminator, and let me know if you guys are interested in these being a giveaway. So you would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including these two. So you would get 10 cash envelopes. And I will be doing this giveaway on Instagram, so stay tuned for that. In order to be entered, you have to be following my Instagram and like the post that will entail the details. Alright you guys, so the next part of this video is making your own cash envelopes using just some regular printer paper that you have, or maybe line paper, whatever paper you guys have would work. And we're just gonna go and do the same thing that we did with the other ones. I'm just gonna fold these in half. And of course, you guys could even use a regular envelope and just decorate it. It's up to you guys. And I'm just gonna use this one as a template. Okay, so now we have two cut out here, and we will be using our washi tape that we got from Michael's, and I believe these were 33 cents. Let's see which one we should use. I think I'll use this one first. I picked this one specifically for a Christmas envelope, if you guys celebrate Christmas. Alright. And I'm just going to wrap the edges of this envelope with this washi tape. And that's the good thing about washi tape, is if you need to redo it, you definitely can, because it doesn't rip the paper. Alright, so now we have all of the borders wrapped. I think it looks pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I'm just going to be going in with a green Sharpie and writing the title of my envelope on it. But before I do that, I am going to put a piece of paper just in case it bleeds through. Okay, so here you have it. Here's one envelope. This is super cute, and if you guys want to make it even sturdier, you can go ahead and wrap it in this clear tape. Yeah, here's one. And just to give you guys a couple more ideas, let's see. Really quick, I'm going to be going in with this pink washi tape. really like this design. I think it's cute. And I'm just going to do the back side really quick. Okay, so here we have both sides with washi tape. And in order not to ruin this design, I am just going to do the borders with clear tape. Well, actually, I'll just do the entire thing. Alright, you guys, so here is the finished product. And obviously you guys could write the title or anything. I would have wrote it before I taped it, but I forgot, so sorry. But yeah, here it is. So here are the two with washi tape. I think they are super cute, and of course you could do more designs with the same tape to make them look different. But yeah. And don't forget to comment down below. These will be laminated. Let me know if you guys are interested in a giveaway for these. And if so, details will be listed on my Instagram page, which my Instagram will be listed right there. And yeah. So I know this video was a little bit different than other ones I've done before. Let me know how you guys liked this video, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Stay tuned. Bye.